Hi, I'm Bart Savan, Director of Behavior-Based Safety at Aubrey International, and I wanted to touch base about where you are in safety. A lot of clients tell me they're frustrated because they've tried different approaches to improve safety at their site or organization, many of whom have even tried behavior-based safety or BBS, but they can't get people engaged even though they're still having incidents and injuries, or maybe they've just hit a plateau and they just feel stuck. If any of this sounds familiar to you, then you might consider ADI's approach called BBS Prime. BBS Prime is a system that can help you tap into the discretionary effort of the women and men in your organization. BBS Prime involves a streamlined peer-to-peer observation and feedback process that enables the frontline to take a more active role in helping each other decrease at-risk behaviors and increase critical safety behaviors. BBS Prime also helps management develop a more positive and proactive safety culture that is demonstrated visibly through their words and actions. If you think it's time to engage or re-engage people at all levels using a proven approach based on the science of behavior, then get in touch. ADI has been the expert in applying behavioral science in business for over 40 years, long before everyone started talking about habits in the workplace. If you're ready to move forward, contact the original experts in using behavioral science to solve organizational challenges so we can help you continue moving forward in your safety journey.